Meaning of ecotourism.
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 Ecotourism. Ecotourism refers to a form of sustainable travel that promotes the conservation of natural environments and the well-being of local communities. It involves responsible tourism practices that aim to minimize the negative impact on the environment while providing educational experiences to visitors. The ultimate goal of ecotourism is to protect ecological and cultural diversity while generating economic benefits for the community. The result of ecotourism can include the protection of biodiversity, the preservation of cultural heritage, the promotion of environmental education, and the improvement of socioeconomic conditions for local communities.